in Corfacan within the Emirate of Sharjah, United Arab Emirates. Wadi Shees Nature Trail stands out as a verdant oasis amidst the arid landscape commonly associated with the region. Its lush green farmlands and towering date palms offer a refreshing departure from the bustling cities, merely a short drive away, a mere 90-minute drive from Dubai. For urbanities yearning for a reprieve from city life, Wadi Shees beacons as an ideal retreat. It's a destination best explored at your own pace, so I highly recommend embarking on this adventure in your own vehicle, as public transport is not available. Beyond its accessibility, Wadi Shees promises a transformative experience, unveiling a lesser known facet of the UAE characterized by its breathtaking natural beauty. Setting foot on a natural trail, you'll ascend a series of steps leading to the old village, still inhabited by local farmers, tending to the fertile lands of Wadi Sheesh. While exploring, it's essential to respect the presence of these residents and adhere to designated pathways. These are the highlights of the activities available at the Wadi Shees Nature Trail. The trail features sections with built steps and paths made of cobbled stones. This provides structured routes for hikers to navigate through the terrain, making it easier to traverse steep or uneven areas. As you traverse the trail, your senses will be awakened by the sight and sound of a water channel meandering along the path, occasionally forming into tranquil pools. This waterway, known as a fallage, represents an ancient irrigation system meticulously engineered to sustainably transport fresh water throughout the region, serving as a testament to the ingenuity of past civilization. Along the trail, there are portions where the path narrows. This may require hikers to walk single file or navigate carefully around obstacles, such as rocks or vegetation. It adds a sense of adventure and challenge to the hike. The total length of the trail is 1.8 kilometers, indicating the distance that hikers will cover from start to finish. This distance gives an idea of the duration and intensity of the hike. Based on the length of the trail and the average walking pace, it is estimated that it takes approximately 45 minutes to complete the hike. This provides a time frame for planning purposes, including hikers to allocate sufficient time for the activity. Here's the checklist outlining the essential items you should bring along when embarking on a hike or outdoor adventure. Plenty of water. Staying hydrated is crucial, essentially when engaging in physical activities like hiking. Make sure to carry an ample water to keep yourself hydrated throughout the journey. Sturdy hiking shoes or boots. Proper footwear is essential for navigating rugged terrain and providing support and stability to your feet and ankles. Opt for sturdy hiking shoes or boots that offer good traction and ankle support. Hats and sunblock. Protect yourself from the sun's harmful UV rays by wearing a wide-brimmed hat or shield your face and neck. Additionally, apply sunscreen with a high SPF to exposed skin to prevent sunburn and skin damage. Comfortable clothing. Dress in comfortable, breathable clothing appropriate for the weather conditions. Lightweight, moisture-wicking fabrics are ideal for staying cool and dry during your hike. Layers are also recommended to adjust to changing temperatures. Sharjah has strict rules when it comes to clothing. No short, skimpy, or revealing clothes. Snacks. Pack nutritious snacks to fuel your adventure and keep your energy levels up. Trail mix, energy bars, fresh fruit, and nuts are excellent options for quick and convenient snacks on the go. By ensuring you have these items in your trip list, you'll be well prepared to enjoy a safe and enjoyable outdoor experience. Simply put, Wadi Shees Nature Trail welcomes you to explore a mix of nature and history. You'll discover the beauty of the outdoors alongside hints of the UAE's fascinating past, making it a spot worth exploring for its hidden treasures. I hope you enjoy our adventure today, and see you next time. Have a great day.